Where do you want to hook to? Up here on this?
Yeah, I can lower that back down a little, and we can gain something.
We got the guy right here to tell us how to do it. You want to let her down,
Take,
and then we.
Actually, take
If you want to
the grab the slip hook and put it here. Whoops.
You just need to come down a little bit further.
Think this will work?
Yep.
Okay.
We'll go for that. I'm just going to stay out of there.
Do you want to haul that laying down?
What's that?
Do you want to haul that laying down?
Yeah, I can. Yeah.
Once we get up there, we can lay it down.
Over there. Yeah. I mean, if you want to lay it down to pick it up.
Yeah, we can lay it down and.
Yeah, just back it up and lay it down. We'll do something.
Okay.
You let him know. Well, he still got used to these arms. He's using the wheel. I wonder if we just kept going right over and put it on a side track, lift it up, and slide it on. But
yeah,
whatever you guys want to do.
he had the idea.
Just lay her down and just pick up with the forward.
yeah.
Okay, well, unhook it, push it over. Does that sound right? I'm going to listen to the trucker guy that does it all the time.
Okay.
You back her up, Fred. I'll push her over.
Lay it like one way or the other.
Yeah.
And you just pick it up.